Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x Learning. Today we are going to see an important topic in data analysis, that is normalization. Okay, so it's like normalization means it's converting all measurements to a scale that makes sense for the comparison. Like it should be between 0 and 1. Okay, if I want to tell you an example means, see for example, you are comparing fruits in a basket, okay, based on their weight and size. However, the problem is that weight is measured in grams, right? If and the size is measured in centimeter. Okay, so comparing this directly does not make sense because they are completely different scales. Okay, it is like you are comparing the means apples and oranges. Okay, so we should know what this normalization does. Okay, so now let's look normalization with an example. We'll be using ChatGPT and Google Colab. Okay.
Happy New Year! If your resolution for 2024 is getting accelerated career growth along with a good salary hike, then you are at right place. If you want to do the same, you should be learning ChatGPT and AI tools and how you can integrate them for your own advantage.
So let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, I will be attaching this sheet, just the same sheet, whatever for example, I'll be using the sheet. Okay, so here you can see height. Okay, it's all in meters. Okay, but weight is in kilogram. Okay, so if you do the analysis, right, it won't be in a means it will not give the good result. Okay, there will be haphazard because meters and kilograms will not understand each other. So we need to make both the things under a common scale. Then only we can proceed for normalization and other analysis. Okay, so this is the scenario, guys. It is 1.5 and this is 65. We are looking for a 5 rows. Okay, 5 numbers we are checking. Okay, so we will see how these values are getting converted after normalization. Okay, so I'll be using this thing. Okay, so I will give the prompt such that data sheet above, explain normalization with example and with the Python code for beginners. Okay, because we should know, the beginner should understand how it is. So let's see what it is doing. By the meantime, guys, okay, I want to give you an important update. See, as you all are aware that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave. Okay, so AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. Okay, so if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. All the installation steps and other AI tools will be explained detail in our Be10x program. So make your future secure with us and join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, so how, just hold on guys. Okay, it is giving the things. Okay, this is the Be10x. Go to the site Be10x and you can see, right, there will be various workshops, upcoming workshop, right? AI tools for workshop, office hacks, Power BI. Okay, so register here. Okay, so and so these are the things actually, and you can see the testimonials and why to join this course, all the details. So don't miss to join this workshop, guys. Okay, so now let's go back to our part. Okay, so what is doing? The data that provided from the sheet includes two columns, height in meters and weight in kilogram. Normalization in data processing is a process used to adjust the range of data values so that they can be compared to a common scale. Okay, this is important. It should be compared to a common scale. It will be useful when dealing with futures of different units or scales. Okay, like height, weight, or from a kg, different measurements. Okay. So this is the formula, can be done in various ways, but a common method is to scale the data so that it falls between a minimum range. So it should be between 0 to 1. The lesser value should be of 0 and the bigger value should be of 1. So within that thing, they will be making adjustment. Okay. So a popular approach for this min-max normalization. Okay. And this is the formula, value minus min, max minus min. Okay. And let's demonstrate it by this by normalizing the height and weight columns in the data set. Okay, this is the Python code. So after, right, means normalized, this has changed from here. It has been moved to like this. These values have been converted to this. Okay, the smallest value is like this, and the biggest value is this. Okay, so the height and weights are directly comparable and can be used to more effectively in data analysis techniques. Okay, so now let's take this code. Okay, so I am copying this code. Okay. I'll be taking this. Okay, and I will close it. I'll take this file name because I need the file name. Okay, so it is fine. Now let's so height, this is the 1.50, weight 65. Okay, so this is the actual thing, right? It didn't convert. Okay, now let's see how it is displayed after conversion. Okay, so here will be, I think. Okay, I'm copying this code, then I'll explain it. Here it will be difficult to understand. Okay, so this is the min-max normalization. Okay, we are giving one, this is our own name, we can give as you wish. Okay, this is the values that has to be passed. So here they are passing the value for getting this formula. This formula, right? Normalized value minus min, and the max minus. Okay, so max value minus min value. These are the column values. Okay, so normalized data dot copy. Here is the data, right? Data dot copy. So it will go to normalized height, then normalized in kilogram. Okay, yes. Now it has been written. It will return. Okay, these are just a basic function. If you know the Python function means, if you still you can't understand this, okay, means cut this cut copy and paste this in ChatGPT and ask give me understanding of it or explain us do this code for a beginner level. It will give you so that you'll understand it better. Okay, so now I'm okay. So you can see, guys, this is the values. Okay, all will be now equal. Okay, here also it is between 0 to 1. Here also it is between 0 to 1. Okay, this is the lesser value, right? Among the all, 60 is the lesser value, so it has made it to 0. Okay, and in the height, which is the lesser value, 1.50, right? So that they made it as a 0. Okay, and like that, and which is the highest value, 90, right? So for the 90 they made it 1, and similarly height also 1.90 is the highest, so they made it 1 over here. Okay, so this is important. Okay, because like uh, it is like converting all the measurements to a scale. Okay, between 0 to 1, a value of 0 means it is the smallest and 1 means it is the highest. So by normalizing, you have made it easier to compare the different attributes, even though it is measured in different units. In the data science, this process helps in comparing and analyzing data where the variables are on different scales, ensuring one does not dominate the other just because of the unit differences. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the session. Take care. Bye bye.